So this one's a Perl 5 tool. To some degree, it actually kind of got some slightly similar stuff in it, as you were talking about. I vlogs to do with error handling things. And it's also got inspiration from another language, in this case not Perl 6, but Go. Because as I've been learning more Go, it's been making me think about what we do with our error handling and sort of reevaluate our choices. Because in the Go land, they're really quite opinionated, but they really want to get it right. And they want to make sure they capture the exceptions. Now, it doesn't actually seem like it's completely solved the problem, even in Go. You know, it's a new language and they've learned from lots of everyone's mistakes, and they've tried to do the best job they can, but they're still arguing about it to some degree. There are still proposals for a new version of Go where they're arguing quite fiercely about how they can improve their error handling for the next version. So there was a sort of a try-catch type proposal that got shot down. Because when Go was created first, the idea was that in a lot of ways it's taken a lot of good inspiration from C. And the idea is that you return your errors immediately, and pretty much everything returns an error. And so you can deal with it immediately. And that's quite a neat idea in principle. But lots of people are still very familiar with trying and catch and stuff, which is kind of allows you to be a little bit lazier about it and kind of skip a few call blocks before you actually catch your errors and things like that. They didn't completely neglect that approach. They had this concept of panic and things for more sort of emergency things. And it's kind of in a similar way to having return goes and having try catches in sort of when it was introduced in C++ and things like that. You know, the idea is that the things like panic are heavier weight, and so the idea is you're supposed to use them less often, but inevitably people don't necessarily do that, and they rely on these things, and so they want to make that smoother and all that sort of thing. But you know, there are sort of not quite religious wars fought over the error handling style, but you know, there are some degree of fights over that. But the they definitely are biased towards the sort of returning errors, but that doesn't mean that everybody does it exactly that way. And you know, there's still some degree of debate even within the Go community who are they're generally very opinionated about things, where they have a tool for formatting their code so that everybody's code should look roughly the same. You know, the indentation just gets blanketed, and you know, you just do not have choices for indentation goes, assuming that you're interacting with any other programmers. It's just there is the way, and you run the tool and it will just make it happen. But at least they do provide you with a way to do it, so it's not a case of you having to do it, put in a lot of effort there. You just run the tool and it makes it happen. But you know, all of this stuff would go, and there are also there internal debates is making me wonder, so what is it enough? Because as I look at what they're doing, it's kind of, you know, there's this question of should we be returning errors more frequently and checking them more frequently? Or is it just a sort of critical juncture, so we have points in the code where we generally catch the errors? Because a lot of the time you don't care if there's an error happened, you know, you may as well just let it sort of bubble down to a later layer. So there's also what you need to do, because that really determines where you're going to catch it. So in general, most of the things you need to do with errors are boiled down to three choices. You're going to abort, just die, or just abort what you're doing currently. You're going to retry the thing that you've just failed to do, or you're just going to ignore it because actually it doesn't matter. So, if for example you're trying to write a cache entry, a cache is generally something to help speed something up, and it's not generally actually mission critical. So if that fails, you might just ignore it. Whereas, say, you're trying to write to the file system something that is actually, you want to make sure it's there, and this is mission critical, perhaps you retry a couple of times just to see what network is something that you not let you retry. Because you want to get it there, and you don't really want this for us to fail the condition because it's an expensive operation, so perhaps you retry. And other things, it's just, you just absolutely knackered, so let's just pause. Let's leave it. And the thing is that it depends on what call level you have, because writing to the file system is just something where you abort. If, say, we're trying to say, write a file, say, let's say we've got a method that writes a JSON file. We say, okay, if the ring if the write fails or just abort, regardless of all the other things. Or if the open fails, or just abort, because there's no point carrying on, and there's no point in returning this problem. But the level above, it's sort of, if that was part of the cache, this entry thing, it doesn't care that it failed. So it just sees, yeah, that failed, okay, I'll just carry on. So it's different decisions at different levels. And then also the other thing you generally do there is to log them. Not everywhere, because you're only spamming the logs and loads of stuff to trawl through to the logs and the logs on fire. But you do want to log some stuff. You want to log things you don't expect, and you want to log certain conditions that you perhaps do expect but don't really want to see. So there are various things that you need to do there. So with Perl, mostly Perl 5, we've generally set it on try a decent sort of try-catch thing, because it's reasonably lightweight and it generally works. It catches most of the sort of weird stuff that you can get into. And that's generally a good way of dealing with catching errors, assuming that you're buying into them, not sort of returning errors immediately and checking them and return buttons. But one of the things that sucks is using the regex to figure out what the exception was. Because these exceptions could be just strings, they could be actual objects, there's all sorts of things. And the if conditions just generally suck. So that's where using a module like failures comes in. So my sort of subtitle on this was I still love failures, because I was re-evaluating my choices in terms of error handling. And the try-catch model still works reasonably well in Perl. But catching errors and stuff, so you do a die and you throw a string, it's a faff to catch the actual that string and check that it's the right thing. Because the thing is that you've generally got stuff that you want to log, say stuff for a user, and so there's a context that will change. So say you've got a database error and it's a particular field in that table, there are all these details that can change. Or say you're talking to a database, but say you're talking to a database that's configured on a French server where the locale is French, and so it returns error in something localized for that language, and suddenly your code doesn't actually catch the error, it doesn't read it right, realising that's actually a unique Colin constraint error, because it's just French and your thing's in English, which would just be wrong. So ideally what we really want to do is be able to tell the type of error as well as the actual message. So you want to be able to do two different things at least. You want to be able to actually change what your actions are depending on what the type is. And also by virtue of, you also want to be able to do stuff with that extra context, let's say logging or whatever else you want to do. And that's where this failures class comes in. It actually creates a class and allows you to create objects, and then you to actually check them nice and easily. So there's actually a couple of things in here. So there's, as well as the failures thing, failures actually allows you to create a class called failure over my class by virtue of you having anything there. You can actually do a bit more things, so you can have sort of subclass and stuff, so you can have my class code and something else. So you can have subtypes, so you could say have IO errors, and then specific versions of IO errors, so failure to write or failure to read or network error, all sorts of things. But you could say, oh, I want to catch all generic IO errors, but I want to catch this specific one as well in your if block. And so you can just check, is it this type and so on, and do the appropriate action depending on these things. Because one of the things you find is, they're doing this sort of thing in Go as well. So you can check the type of exception because they're using classes and things. But they also, they're not entirely sure how they do it. So say for the file exception, they generally seem to have what looks like basically a singleton of an exception. So they just check for this particular type, this object, rather than checking the type of the thing. And so that's one of the things that, as I'm trying to do Go exception handling or Go error handling, actually not really exception, just checking error types is kind of, there doesn't seem to be any one particular idiom that they follow as far as checking what the error is. It's kind of, you could check the message, because if they've done, say, error format, then it basically just rewraps it in a generic error object. Or you could check the type, or you could say, check that it's a specific instance of error, which is what they kind of do in error. But anyway, with the Perl side, if you use the failures class, and you can do this $is a bit. And one of the nice things about this is it's the safe as a module. So you don't have to worry about whether it is actually an object or not. So if you've got something in your code that say throw in regular strings or whatever, there's exceptions, or other types, or just say numbers, random stuff. Hashes, I guess, you probably throw. I've never tried it.
And throw any value.
Yeah. So you wouldn't necessarily expect it to respond when you couldn't throw their name, is there? But the safe is that it just goes, is it one? Oh yeah, if you threw an undef as well, you don't have to check whether it's defined or not. That's not a problem. It just, checks it's actually an object and then allows you to call the isn't and check the thing. And, you get the true false, you get the behavior you want without a really complex and nasty if statement. And then you can also, have an else and you can check for other types if you need to. But fundamentally, it allows you to tidy up your error handling so that you've got fairly simple logic as far as switching to the types of errors you've got. And then you can also actually display messages and encode other data that you need to pass back to the errors that you might need to do. So this bit of code, full errors, just be your flat again, errors 1. So that code is there. If we run it, you can actually see there it's printing off the actual message. So if you just print the actual exception, that's the top thing, and then you can just extract out the message as well. So if you've got a human readable thing that you want to display to the user or whatever, you can pass that packaged in object and you just pass it to the user, and that's safe while not having to worry about the type. So it allows you to keep those two things separate. So all the stuff I've been saying. And as I say, this famous module's got a really low barrier of entry because you don't have to say create your own packages with new classes, all of that sort of stuff, do any plumbing for it. It just creates that. And they've got these standard things and messages, they've got payload as well. So it's dead as far as that goes. And as I mentioned, the safe as a module, it's a MSD crazy idea that's actually really neat and works really well. And it overloads a few other things as well, so you can do other things you do to objects and stuff like can is those sorts of methods that aren't safe on say an undef or whatever, just kind of exception. So it allows you to sort of get around those problems. And as I say, just because you're doing this and you're starting to complete your code stuff, it doesn't matter if there are other things. In your catch box, you can check for the other types. It's just you can put your if stuffs for the failures things at the front, and the safe is will protect you, so you don't have to worry whether they are that type. And then later on, you can have the ugly code that checks whether or not they're say strings or whatever, Regex, whatever the nasty things you have to do to deal with reality. Stack traces, it's got the option to do it. There's a special flag. That seems a bit of a faff to me, but you can get around, you can use it. And as I say, you can pass in a payload as well. So if you do need to say, you could put in sort of, rather than say just in the message, say the field name or whatever, you could say put in the field names that specifically got wrong, that kind of thing. So you can package it all nicely. And it's got a good provenance as well, the module, it's a Dave Gordon one and minimal dependencies, so it's got all the sort of things I look for in a module I'll be using. Thank you. Okay.
Does it interfere with path? Because you say it's objectifying the $_.